So
which video was your first music video actually that you did all by yourself?
no lack of the sound
Not
officer
Lock
with
Off the
was.
Sound.
I mean, I cringe when I look on the video. They still.
I mean, give yourself credit for what you didn't know to what you know now. So
that was the first music video when we produced the song and needed to shoot a video. None of when I have the money, and was just get some people with the sound system and we just make it happen. I didn't even know if we use the camera. Like I didn't even know if the aperture did set good or the exposure or what lens or nothing.
Focus
None of that. Me just I try to
just
figure
hold
it
the
out.
camera. We just need this video to be shoot.
I mean, just do it with confidence and say, oh, can I figure this out? And then, always I think about post-production here. I go, fix it in a post, fix it in a post. So yeah, that was the first track, and that led credibility, confidence into knowing that, okay, I could able to produce sounds and visuals that the general public can gravitate to. So that lead me to be, all right, cool, we need to continue to move forward. Because me and myself know so there's more work to be done, and yeah.
And if you were getting all that exposure out of this video that you knew within yourself that you created from just mere resources that you had around you, I mean, that alone should have given you the motivation to go forward, which it did.
Yes.
So let us talk about projects after, like even with Busy.
Yardstyle Live.